Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Satvik, studying in GM University. So today I am doing assignment on software engineering practices with agile methodologies. So in this subject, my topic is on analyzing the impact of agile methodology on AI project delivery time, where I am guided by Praveen sir and myself Satvik. So these are the contents we are going to cover in today's presentation. So, so the introduction where it describes as agile is described as a flexible and iterative development which approaches and emphasizes quick adaptation and collaboration and frequent processes that checks sprint in AML project where the agile supports the ongoing model and updates and rapid experiments and helping the term to respond effectives to change the data and the project goal. So the key concepts uh, in the next slide. So understanding the concept where agile methodologies which involves working in short cycles like sprints with continuous feedback and teamwork where EIML workflow which requires data and gathering models, building and ongoing evaluation which often spaces unexpected changes. Integration benefits which include faster prototyping and easier adaptations to shift the requirements and better communication and technical staff and stakeholders. So the next thing. So going to the applications of agile principles, so the agile practices like sprints, planning and data stand-ups and reviews which are applied to each stages of an AI project life cycle like data collection, pre-processing and model training and evaluating and deployment and monitoring. So data collection where we'll collect the data, pre-process where we processes the data and model training which it undergoes training and testing and then we evaluate the model, is it right or wrong, then we deploy it and at last we monitor how our model or our app goes. Then benefits which include shorter development cycles, quick delivery of function AI solution and early detection and correction of errors up to 20 to 30 reduction in overall project delivery time. So going to the technical accuracy, so each agile sprint consists of steps such as pre-processing the data, training model, evaluating performance and deployment and at last the result and then we gather the feedback. After that the model tries to improve and retain the continuous with technical diagram and documentation used to track the workflow and accuracy improvements through the process. And next slide. So tools and documentations and innovations what we are going to use is agile tools like Jira, Tello and Confluence and GitHub are used for the workflow management and version control. AML tools like TensorFlow, PyTorch, Scikit-learn and MLflow and Doctors helps to build and deploy the AML model. So documentation which spins the report and performs logs and keep the terms organized using visual boards to show the progress. So at last, just I missed a part like innovating and continuous learning like agile methods encourages reviewing model bias and accuracy. Every sprint continuous learning and loop allows the model to be retained automatically as a new data and arrives fostering transparency and creativity in the workflow. So coming to the conclusion, the presentation concludes that agile practices make the AI project delivery much more efficient and adaptable, especially when we combine with the model tools for documentation and automation. So this approach transforms the traditional AML project into a faster and more collaborative and transparent processing. Thank you.